I'll be glad to get done with this wheat though. Boy, she has been a pain this year. Welcome back to Mid-10, y'all. Rained down a wheat field today. We got about, I don't know, I might get a half inch of rain here this afternoon. Got rained out here this afternoon. Got a little bit of rain again this morning. So we're rained out again. So we're rained out today. I've got an Amish neighbor who wants 50 rolls of hay. I say neighbor, it's a quarter mile down the road here. I usually don't deliver hay, but I got to move the hay out of the field anyway, so I got to put on trailer to move out of the field. I might as well take it to his house a quarter mile. I ain't gonna charge him more for taking it to his house, but we're gonna do that. We'll take it to his house, give him selling 50 rolls today, and get some of his hay out of the way. Dalton's gonna run the tractor for me. I'm gonna run the truck and trailer. We're gonna stack him some round belts today. He's got a square belt machine beside it. I wouldn't doubt if he ain't square belting his hay, but you honestly can never tell with Amish what they're doing. They're Amish, and they're always doing something. We'll get down here and get this hay loaded up. Set one long drive to the hayfield, and we'll run this down the road to the Amish. I get the tractor set for Dalton. I'm gonna get the truck set for Dalton. Let him load it up. I'm gonna let him fill the truck up. Okay, first trailer load. It should take 3 trailer loads to get everything down there, I think. Maybe a little over. So anyway, holding the barn. We'll let Dalton grab 2. We'll run down the road here just a hair. And go put these in his, actually I'll put them in a corn crib. No corn crib, we'll put them in. I ain't gonna show you the bean field, it looks bad. Ground out, we're about to start replanting that. Ooh, it looks bad. Part of it this year though. This will make us turn into this Amish driveway. Yep, we made it. Luckily, he widened it out. I told him he probably won't get this for 2 weeks, but we're going to do it today, so he ain't expecting me yet. But the corn crib's right there. It's a corn crib. My house is just, actually you can see the grain bins right there at the house. Those are grain bins, my house right behind that tree right there. So we ain't far from the house, you can see. I throw a rock in his house if I need to. We'll set it under this eave on the back side of this corn crib right here. That's where everything's going. And like I said, I usually don't do this, but it's so close to the house, I had to put stuff on trailer to take it back to my house anyway. I'm driving about the same distance as I would if I was taking it to my house. Go back is parked just a little bit off his neighbor's fence, just in case I knock one off. I ain't throwing it in his fence, and then we're gonna set it right there. Look, Massey Ferguson square baler, Amish edition. Didn't think you said that, did you? So I hook that big belt on front. I get a motor off the side of it and hook to it, and leather belt, and they run it like that. And we got metal wheels on it. He wants all this stuff set in here. Let's see if we can do that without hitting anything. There's one. He said it holds 3 wide. I don't know if it holds 3 wide or not. Guess we're gonna find out. He thinks he can hold 45 in there. I've got 15 in there right now. I know I can hold 15 more. I may be able to hold 30 more, but I'll have to come around the other side, stack them in there. That is what me and Dalton will be doing this afternoon. So we'll go get 15 more and maybe 15 more after that. Call it a day. Now I got a couple of things I need to work on with that, but we'll get this done, get this hay out of the way. We'll get 15 more, and if we get 50 more, we'll. Then we need to move a couple more rolls off this farm over here, which is like 10 more ready to move. The rest of it sold, and move back to my place, and which is just across the road. Then we'll be good. If nothing else happens, we'll catch up to you guys later. And I hope that's the way the afternoon keeps going. So we'll catch up to you guys tomorrow, or the next day. We'll catch up at some time.
We're back at it, folks, in the old Apache. Got the back glass in it, too. Did a little spraying today. We have sprayed. Look, wheat ground we've had cut already. I got one of the farm, one of the 4 always sprayed. We got just a few acres left on the second farm we cut. And then we going to call it a day. Get her folded back out. Downside of the tent is you get a pretty good reflection of it. Now, should have out all the way. Set her down some, see if we can see what we're doing. Can you see through the tent? Well, I kind of can't. Go back to where we were. All right. Yeah, there we are. Okay. It's been a pretty, slow day. Nothing too eventful's happened. It's been running wheat ground and errands. But always errands. We bring about 7.88 miles an hour. We're going downhill. Back that way's all uphill where I went cruising. 7. Still working great though. I don't know if y'all can see through the back dash or not. Yeah, we left the gap in town. Couldn't find enough tent. But I did find a good hood rat tin, you know, at 2.5%. I mean, it's dark. You can tell me that there's a gap up here. Besides the gap at the bottom, that's a cut gap on the top. That's the buckets up there. Signature bucket. Let's get this wood, folks. I'm gonna make my way back to the house. Get this thing parked for the evening. Go find some supper and get back at it again tomorrow. Welcome back to Mid-10, y'all. Been hammering on this wheat today. You're getting close to being done, not quite. We're almost done with this farm right here. We got one more little farm to go to. That is all of this farm. Dump this in the baby hopper and move. And maybe get done tonight. Who knows? I don't think the wheat yields were there this year. I think the cold got to them. I'm holding a good test weight, but you know, yielding ain't the best in the world. There's a bag of chips that gets left in here. You can leave that in the combine. That's how you get rats in there, you leave food in it. All right. Try not to backfill the truck. We will make our way back to the header cart. Go back through the property line gap. We gotta go all the way up towards Old Blue. And then we gotta go other side of all them pines. We gotta take the driveway back out and around. There's a gap in the woods I can drive the combine through, but I can't drive it with the head on, then we're gonna be right in the middle of the wheat. So, we gotta drop the head and take the road, driveway, whatever it is. I'm thinking maybe by next Tuesday, I can have all the beans planted. We just have to see how planting goes. I mean, I might be able to knock them out in the weekend, but it don't feel like I'm going to be able to. Anywho, we got wheat to cut right now. We'll worry about planting later. So the wheat did really good over there. This spot over here, not so hot. Super wet over here. You know, had that extra wet winter and wet spring, a bunch of springs come up in it. Took advantage of the wheat. You know, unhook my hoses. Woo, man. For it to be 95 outside, it sure is a lot cooler inside that cab. Oh man, look at that. I actually got to put on there. Pretty easy. Yeah. I believe I lucked up. Thank you. Don's bringing Jesse back right now. And they just pulled in the front of the road. So they can bring me back. And I can pull the header cart out. You can see over here to our left, this is a sign of progress, you know. Property sold again, I think. And the people, well, the property on the left, they've widened the road up a little bit. Still ain't wide enough to get the planter down. I mean, right through here it is. We'll get up here just a little bit. It's not. Super bouncy. Got some good chug holes in it still. And still got a tree right in the way. So yeah, trees in the way. And you get right up here and you got a deep ditch in the shoulder. It gets pretty darn narrow. I know, Charge Pump, you don't like pulling this hill. Yeah, it's still super damn tight. Like an old rowdy tiny turn here. About got this little field hammered out. It's not too good. It look good. It's good, but too good. I don't know. But it is what it is. That's a ball game on wheat, folks. That is all the wheat. Yeah, so this property I'm on right now, I don't rent. The guy's just nice enough to let me cut through his yard to get access to this other farm. So we try not to make a mess out of it. Boom. Boom, shakalaka. She's on there. On back into the trailer, we'll be doing good. Oh, don't roll back. Got it neutral. There, that's in 4-low. Well, we're gonna move this stuff home and catch up y'all tomorrow.